Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name's Amit and today is all about the Mercedes G-Wagon. Now this is a car that is steeped in history and is an amazing vehicle to look at and use. And this being the electric version is one of the best all-rounders on the market. Now what we've done to this car includes two upgrades that really transform the security but also the longevity of this vehicle. So starting with that security aspect of the car, what we've added is the Vodafone S5 Tracker and immobilizer onto the car. So you might have heard what an S5 Tracker is, but an S5 adds immobilization to those tracker as well. So an S5 Tracker is a really nice way of doing the whole system, and essentially what that gives you is two little fobs that come with the vehicle, and if they're in the car when it starts to move away, it won't be a problem. However, if they aren't, you'll immediately get a phone call if the vehicle is started or moved without those fobs. However, what the Plus adds is an extra layer of security on there, so it adds on immobilization. So using those same two fobs, if they aren't in the vehicle, the car actually will not start at all. Now, a very difficult job to get done on these electric vehicles, but it's something we specialize here at CBS Automotive in getting done to the best standards. Now, the system works really, really nice. You have two little fobs. If they aren't in the car, it won't start, it won't go into neutral, it won't do anything. Completely immobilizing the vehicle, allowing anyone who's trying to steal the car not to get anywhere with it. It's a really nice system and it's really easy to use. You don't have any pins, you don't have any keypads in the car. It just uses those two fobs, and as long as they're there, you won't have an issue. Now, again, if the vehicle does move or anything happens to the car without those fobs, you will still be alerted immediately via a phone call from Vodafone asking whether you were driving the vehicle or not. And if you aren't, they can work directly with the police to find and track down your car. Now, that wraps up the security side of the install that we've done on this car. Of course, you can add things like dash cameras, steering locks, all sorts of other security upgrades are out there, as well as a ghost immobilizer, which is a really, really common upgrade and a really good upgrade to do in terms of security of these cars. Now, security is covered, now is onto protection. The paint is absolutely beautiful on this car. I don't know if it comes across on camera, but it is a lovely dark green color, and we wanted to protect that as long as we can, and so did the client. So what we went for was our level 1 detail package. So that includes full exterior polishing of the vehicle, as well as a full track pack PPF. So with PPF, we have three different options. You've got the level 1, which is a front pack, which will cover things like your bonnet, your bumper, your front of the wings. Then you can extend that onto something like a track pack, which goes a little bit further onto the vehicle, really perfecting those high traffic areas for stones and chips and damage. So things like your sills, the rear arches, the wing mirrors, those high impact areas are really, really important. And that is why the track pack is one of the most popular options we do for PPF. Now, of course, you can as well do a full vehicle as well, giving you full coverage along the whole car. No matter what car it is, it makes a massive, massive difference to one, the longevity of the paint due to paint chips, but also just helps protect the paint as well. Now, on a vehicle like this and so many other cars, having a windscreen PPF is also a really, really good option. Helps protect from chips or any damage that could come to a windscreen, and just makes all the paint look and last a lot longer. It's a really nice upgrade to do on any vehicle. And now, of course, with PPF, you do have some self-healing capabilities as well, which is really, really cool. And again, just help protect the paint, makes it last so much longer, and is a must on any vehicle like this. Now, with the PPF, obviously, we always do a baseline of detailing first. That's why this car had the level 1 package. It's a fairly new car, but again, we did find some imperfections in the paint. We wanted to make sure those were absolutely perfect before we then went and protected it with the paint protection film. So that kind of brings together what the upgrades we have done on this vehicle. The PPF, the tracker, this car is now ready to go to its client. Now it has had the full CBS Automotive experience. But if you have a G-Wagon just like this and you need to get it protected, do come to the right place. Here at CBS, we will get your car protected for you and make sure it lasts as long as it can and in your hands, most importantly. But thank you guys for watching the video, and if you have enjoyed today's video and would like to see future content just like this, feel free to subscribe to the channel and like this one as well to see future content just like it. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.